Okay, we will finish. Okay. See, suppose you assume there is a wheel, this is the x-axis, you are seeing at this point you are revolving. On this x-axis, what is the x value, you plot it, you will get what is it, it will revolve like this, you are mentioning this. Initially one value, you take it as a 1, you are actually shining a light from this direction, you are shining light from this direction, you assume, okay? You assume it is a giant wheel, you are sitting on this point. A light is falling from top, a light is falling from this. You are seeing the shadow on this plane and this plane. From this plane if you see, here if you shine light, can you see any shadow? 0. And if you come to 90 degrees, you will get the maximum shadow. So you will get the sin x. And it's the same thing if you shine it, you will get the cos x. So a cos x is there on real part, this you know. Listen, very important, simple complex formulas I will show you. See, if you shine this on giant wheel, you are moving, on x-axis if you shine light, what you will form? At 0 degrees, you will get the 1. And if you go to 90, your shadow length will become, you are shining light from top. How much length of shadow you will see? You are standing here and if you shine the light, how much point? 0. So 90 degree 0, 180 degree minus 1. So what that curve comes? Cos x. X-axis is cos x and 90 degrees, same circle, if you shine the light, what you will get is the sin x. So cos x in real number and in 90 degrees you are getting sin x. So cos x plus 90 degree means I, sin x. Total is what? Circle. That is what? Any circle can be written as cos x plus I sin x. That we call as cis x. That is also called de Moivre's theorem. You understood? Any number, you are moving a giant wheel means you are going e power I theta. Your motion is represented by e power I theta because the real part is represented by cos x and the 90 degree, that is the imaginary part, means after 90 degree if you see it is moving like a sin x. Okay? You are not understanding? Are you able to see? Okay. Suppose all these audio, see whatever I am speaking, currently the signal if you take in the time domain, you will get this kind of signal. This we call audio. But actually inside if you see, there are some frequencies. How do you say there are frequencies? Suppose all of you closed your eyes and listening to me. You can able to listen and tell whether I am speaking or madam is speaking. Are you able to tell or not? That means your eardrum is able to sense the frequencies. Time signal will be almost same, but frequencies are different. So if you have a time signal, what are the frequencies are there inside? How do you understand? Okay, that is to understand. Fourier has said a very simple, see, suppose we all are sitting here. Somebody asked me, what is your inspiration to do some work? Do you, all of you have some inspiration to do work? Huh? What question I have asked? Is it boring? Huh? Are you able to understand or not? Our heartbeat signal is a periodic signal. Periodic means some signal is there, same signal repeating every after some time. Just like our lunar cycle. Lunar cycle means the moon shapes. Moon shapes will come again every month. After Paurnami, again the same After another 28 days, same shape will continue. 28 days is the period. Just like heartbeat, we will say you have some beats per minute. 70 beats per minute is our heartbeat rate. So, if heartbeat rate is measured in ECG, it is a periodic signal. If periodicity is gone, then we have to go to cardiologist. Okay? So, the signal has started when you are born. When it will stop, the signal will stop. Okay, that's why I say my inspiration is my heart. My inspiration is till how many time it has took rest? One time switch. Just like bulb. ఒకసారి పెట్టి మాడిపోతే ఇంకా. So you have so much such a periodic signal which is continuously going. That's why we are here. We have said any periodic signal you give it to me. I will write only with sin and cos x. I will tell how it will work. I will give very simple example. Okay, that's why everything I explained. Suppose sin x. I have drawn sin x. This is sin 2x. This is sin 3x. Means, see in this there are only one crust and one trough. Here 2 crust and 2 trough. Here 3 crust and 2 trough in the same time. That's why it's called sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Okay. See, if I draw from minus pi to pi, here also minus pi to pi, minus pi to pi, there are 3 cycles, that's why it is sin 3x. There are 2 cycles, that's why it is. See, if I take the area minus pi to pi, what is the area? X-axis lower part is, what is the area I told just now? Minus, what is this area? If we add it, 0. Here, 0. Here. So, integral here I have shown integral minus pi to pi, integral sin nx dx is how much? So, you know. Now, suppose if integral cos x is also same thing. This is the cos 1x, cos 2x, cos 3x, cos 3x. Okay, this is the nx means everywhere you see positive area and negative area are same. Integral minus pi to pi in cos nx is how much? 0. You got it? Integral minus pi to pi sin nx is how much? Integral minus pi to pi cos mx is 0. You know that. Okay. Now, what I did, I multiplied sin 1x into sin 1x. I multiplied sin 1x into sin 1x. You got some area. Again I did sin 2x into sin 2x. I got positive area, only green. Again sin 3x into sin 3x, it is pi. It is also pi. This is also this. The area under this curve is green color is pi. So integral sin mx into sin mx minus pi to pi. What is the area? Pi. You understood? Now, if I take sin 2x into sin 1x, if I take sin 2x into sin 1x, some are positive, some are negative. Positive, negative cancels. How much? 0. So, integral minus pi to pi sin mx into sin nx. How much? 0. Same thing. Integral minus pi to pi cos mx into cos mx. How much? Cos mx into cos mx. Pi. Integral minus pi to pi